no orders on Arvind Kejriwal's bail or interim bail today. ED has sought time to file a reply. Court to hear plea on the 1st of June at 2 p.m. In fact, the questions on how Arvind Kejriwal is seeking interim bail on medical grounds, ED says there has been suppression of facts by Kejriwal. ED says that Kejriwal has been campaigning. Even today, he is campaigning in Punjab. ED claiming that his health has no problem, that there is no hindrance on his health, and he is carrying out some strenuous campaigns still now. So where's the question of him not feeling well? ED questions Kejriwal's conduct of seeking bail last minute when he has to surrender. ED says Kejriwal's conduct does not entitle him bail. Shrishti Oja joining us live for more on that. Shrishti, we know that where the Supreme Court had refused to take up the plea, asking for interim bail extension by a week. Now, he's been directed to go to a lower court, but ED has already sought time to file the reply and casting aspersions, doubting Arvind Kejriwal's reasons, claiming that he was fine and fit while he was carrying out all his campaigns. This is just an act right before, a day before he wants to has to surrender and go back to prison.
Well, yes, Nabila, 2 days before he has to surrender in terms of Supreme Court's order, Arvind Kejriwal's filed his bail plea today. Now, not only regular bail, he's also sought interim bail for 7 days on medical grounds. As we know, Supreme Court had also sought an extension of his interim bail on medical grounds, but the Supreme Court, he did not manage to get any relief from the Supreme Court. On 10th May, when the Supreme Court had granted him interim bail, is when court had also granted him liberty to file for regular bail before the trial court, but it was not filed until today. This is something that the Enforcement Directorate also pointed out before the court, questioning his conduct, saying that he had all these days to seek bail or even interim bail from the court. However, he failed to do so, and therefore for this conduct itself, he should not be granted any bail. ED has also claimed before court today that they obviously need time to file responses to both his regular bail pleas and his interim bail plea, but they've pointed out that he's seeking, on one hand, he's seeking interim bail on grounds of medical issues, on grounds of his ill health, but he's been campaigning constantly since he was granted interim bail on a daily basis. According to Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju, who told court today that his medical condition did not hinder him from campaigning strenuously as he has been. In fact, he pointed out that today also Arvind Kejriwal is campaigning in Punjab. So if his medical health issues did not stop him from campaigning, on what grounds is he exactly seeking medical bail now? So ED has sought time to reply. They've also claimed that there has been suppression of facts by Arvind Kejriwal. So 1st June will be an important day when the court will decide and we'll know whether or not Arvind Kejriwal will be granted any relief, or will he have to surrender on 2nd June and go back to Tihar Jail. Back to you.